Hello everyone, my name is Anushka Raj. Currently I am working as an intern at Candent SEO. So in this video I'm gonna share my overall experience, whatever I have gone through. So let's begin. Well, over the past few months, I have had the amazing opportunity to dive deep into the world of digital marketing and gain hands-on experience that has really helped me to grow. Before, I didn't know about digital marketing, what is it and how it works. But right now, I have developed my skills in many areas like content writing, video editing, SEO optimization, and graphic designing. So let's talk about content. As you know, content is the king. Whether it's a blog post, a video, or a picture, if your content is interesting, authentic, and useful, people will surely like your content and visit your website. But let's come to the most important part. Before content writing, that is researching keywords, because it's a game changer for your content. And also never forget to add tags. It plays a very crucial role in SEO, like meta tags, alt tags, descriptions, and some image tags. So throughout this journey, I got amazing opportunity as a role of digital marketer. Also, I have worked in so many platforms like Canva to create designs along with video editing. And currently, I'm working on WordPress. I have designed web pages along with adding some products over there. So this is all over my experience at this company as a part of digital marketer. But eventually, I would like to share my strategy that makes you feel better in your field. That is patience, focused, and curious to learn. Because facing some obstacles and lacking some confidence is common. But if you are passionate towards your goals, then nothing is impossible. And yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching. And yeah, if you're looking for internship opportunity or any kind of work in digital marketing, then you can contact Candent SEO. It is one of the best digital marketing companies. And yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Candent SEO.